Okay, so today we are in a regular room. I believe it's a garden view room at the Boardwalk. We are on the regular Boardwalk inside, not the Villa side, not the DVC side. So we walk in, we have the air conditioning that you can control over here. We have an ice bucket, we have the K-cup Keurig, and you can put K-cups in there to make your coffee. In this drawer here, they give you some K-cups, mugs, cups, plastic cups to use. And then down here is the mini fridge. So here it is. It's smaller than the DVC side, but still pretty big. So now, next on the left-hand side is the closet area that opens up like a sliding door. We have a safe in here. We have a place to put our luggage. We have a ironing board and iron in here. And we have an extra pillow and blanket. Very cool. Then we walk in on the right-hand side. This area is open. And there's a door here that leads to the toilet area. And here we also have the shower area as well. So give a good look of this area right here. Toilet area, shower curtain, H2O with washcloths, and this whole shower area right here. And it looks like at this resort they are still giving the H2O products out, which is very nice. Over here we have some hand towels. And then we have the sink area right here. And underneath we have some storage here. You can put some stuff. There's a hair dryer and a shelf down here in this area. There's a trash can here. And let's just look at the sink area closer. So we have tissues and we have two sinks here. And we have the H2O products. They give you the aloe gel. They give you the mouthwash, vanity kit, shower cap, body lotion, and facial soap. So they give you a few additional H2O products like this, and this that they don't give you on the DVC side. So we have an outlet here, and then we have the mirror that comes out of the wall so you can see your face closer, which is helpful for contacts and putting on makeup. And we're just going to back up a second. And we're going to show you that this door on the back hand side, there's a full-length mirror. And then here also we have a full-length mirror as well with the sink area. Okay, so let's just turn around really fast. So that's the door we came in, the closet on the left, the bathroom on the right-hand side. And let's walk into the bedroom area. So here we have a shelf over here and some hooks for coats. It looks like this room does not have a connecting door, which is super nice. So you don't have to worry about anyone even having the possibility of getting in your room except if they come through the front door, which they shouldn't be able to because it should only be your magic band. So then they have the trash right here. They have a bunch of outlets right under the TV. Love that so much. And then some drawers too as well to store some stuff in. So a bunch of drawers right here. And if we back up, we'll see the TV. It's tremendous, which is so nice. Then here we have a couch area right here, a nice big couch, which is very, very nice and clean. Looks very new as well. And then we have a lamp right here, and it's raining out again. So we're just gonna back up a second. I'm just gonna back up so that now I can show you the bedside. Okay, so we just did the left-hand side with the TV and couch, and now let's do the bedside. So we have two queen beds here, and here we have a little like card. Thank you for the tip, have a magical night. So I guess this is an older card that they left out by accident and didn't give me a new one. This is just from the general manager. They leave these on the bed. The bed looks very nice and comfortable, clean at first look. And then here we have the phones. We have some additional outlets here. And then we have a picture right here. Also, we have a drawer here with a Bible. And then here we have some Boardwalk art as well. Here we have the second bed, right here. And here we have the desk area. And here we have another mirror as well. So if we look at the desk area over here, you'll see they give you guides on Disney Springs, the Disney World Resort, and they give you room service menu. And there's another table under here that will pull out if you want to move that around the room, which is super nice. And then now it is raining. So this room, very interesting actually. So I can't really go out right now because the camera is gonna get wet, and I don't wanna get the camera wet because it's not waterproof. But I have a garden view, so this looks like a little courtyard area I can see. But what's interesting is I can actually see the Skyliner. So you'll be able to, once that's running, see them pass. And look, it's the Eiffel Tower right here too. Pretty cool. So, and then out here you'll see that there's a two chairs and a table if you want to sit out. But that's it for this room tour of the Boardwalk Inn room, garden view room. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit alerts so you can see my next video that's coming out really soon.